Welcome to Psych Insight, where we view everything through the lens of psychology. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Today, we're going to investigate whether trauma is always the underlying cause of narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, or not. To answer this, we begin with the psychodynamic theory. Sigmund Freud, the pioneer of psychoanalysis, proposed that narcissism originates from an inherent self-obsession, and later theories speculated it as a protective strategy against feelings of insufficiency, potentially rooted in early childhood trauma. Contrastingly, Heinz Kohut posits that narcissism arises from disruptions in self-development, often attributable to a lack of empathy from the primary caregivers. Then we have the developmental and attachment theories. Some researchers, drawing on attachment theory, propose that narcissistic traits can develop from insecure attachment styles formed in early life due to traumatic experiences with caregivers, including neglect or abuse. Alice Miller's work emphasizes how childhood trauma, including physical and emotional abuse, can lead to the development of narcissism. As we're delving into the social learning theory, this intriguing theory suggests that narcissistic tendencies aren't necessarily born, but can be bred through modeling and reinforcement within one's family or social circle. While the theory doesn't pinpoint trauma as a direct cause of narcissism, it does recognize that adverse experiences, including certain styles of parenting, could be key contributors to the emergence of narcissistic traits. Finally, we touch upon the role of biological and genetic factors. Current research explores the genetic and neurobiological underpinnings of narcissism, suggesting a complex interplay of genetic predisposition and environmental influences, rather than trauma alone. This is a key factor why certain individuals who endured excessive childhood trauma will not develop narcissistic personality traits or narcissistic personality disorder. Critics argue that narcissism is not solely caused by trauma, but rather a result of a complex interaction of factors including temperament, genetic predispositions, and the social environment. They point out that not all individuals who experience trauma develop narcissistic personality disorder, and not all individuals with NPD have histories of trauma. In conclusion, the relationship between narcissism and trauma is complex and multifaceted. While some theories suggest a direct link, others propose a more nuanced relationship involving a variety of factors. As we delve deeper into the world of narcissism and trauma, it's clear that views are as diverse as they are complex. Some researchers and authors in the psychiatric field vehemently argue that traumatic experiences can be a major contributing factor to the development of narcissistic traits. However, there's a shared understanding that narcissism is a multifaceted phenomenon, with its roots stretching into various aspects of an individual's life. In other words, the origins and development of narcissism cannot be pinned down to a single cause or event. Factors such as genetic predispositions, social environment, personality traits, and even life experiences all intertwine to shape the narcissistic personality. The ongoing debate in the psychiatric community is a testament to the complexities of this personality disorder. As we continue to dig deeper, there's no doubt that future research will shed more light on this fascinating subject. The hope is that with increased understanding, we'll be able to develop more effective strategies for diagnosing, managing, and potentially preventing narcissistic personality disorder. So stay tuned and continue joining us on this journey of exploration and discovery in the world of psychology. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos with those who might find them helpful. Until we meet again, this is Psych Insight, your trusted space for dissecting everything from a psychological perspective.